Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss the meaning of business, the features of business, and the objective of the business. Now, some definitions are given as below. Business refers to those activities which are concerned with providing goods and services with the aim of earning profit. Business is a form of activity pursued primarily with the objective of earning profit for the benefit of those on whose behalf the activity is conducted. Business is an institution organized and operated to provide goods and services to society under the incentive of private gain. Now we have discussed the features of the business. Number one, an economic activity. Number two, production and procurement of goods and services, sale or exchange of goods and services, dealing in goods and services on regular basis, profit earning, uncertainty of return, element of risks. Now we are discussing one by one. An economic activity. Business is an economic activity as it is undertaken primarily for earning money. Thus, business is source of livelihood. Number two, production or procurement of goods and services. Business involves production or procurement of goods and services. Goods are those products which are in physical form like vehicle, fruits, etc. Services are those products which are in tangible form like banking, transportation, etc. Production of goods involves producing goods by a business organization for sale. Procurement of goods involves procuring these from some sources for sale. For example, procuring of goods by a retailer either from the producer or from the wholesaler. Number three, sale or exchange of goods and services. Business involves transfer of exchange of goods and services for value. If goods are produced not in the purpose of sale but for personal consumption, it is not business activity. Similarly, cooking food at home for personal consumption is not a business activity, but cooking food in restaurants for sale is a business activity. Number four, dealing in goods and services on regular basis. Business involves dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. A single dealing, even with profit, does not fall under business. For example, if a person sells his house and earn profit, it is not business because it is not done on a regular basis. Profit earning. The basic objective undertaken a business is to earn profit. No business can sustain for long if does not earn profit. Profit earning is necessary to survival and growth of the business. Uncertainty of return. Uncertainty of return refers to the lack of knowledge relating to the amount of profit that the business is going to earn in a given period on the investment made in the business. This phenomena is due to dynamic nature of business environment in which the business operates, making profit on investment uncertain. There may be loss also in the business because of uncertainty. Element of risk. Risk is the uncertainty associated with an exposure to loss. Risk is caused by some unforeseen unfavorable events like change in consumer preference, change in production network, production methods, increasing competition in the market, strike or lockout at the workplace, theft, accident, and natural calamities are the example of risks. Then we have to discuss the objective of the business. Objective of the business are divided into two parts. That is your economic activity, and number two is your social objective. Economic object under the head of economic activities, that is your profit earning, survival and growth are the economic activities, whereas in social activities better quality of goods, fair trade practices, employment generation, community service, protection of environment are the example of social objectives. Now we are discussing economic objective. Profit earning. Profit earning is the key objective of business, whether it is directly or indirectly. This is the key objective because the business owner bears risks and profit is the reward for risks. In the absence of profit earning objective, no one will be willing to assume business risks. Then number two, survival. Survival objective implies that business will exist as a long term basis. In business, there are chances of failure due to any unforeseen reason. Therefore, every business sets survival objectives. Its continued existence through the objective of seldom mentioned in the official documents of a business organization. Next, growth. Growth objective implies expansion of business volume over a period of time. Growth is necessary for every business because anything which stops growing leads to decay and its survival is in danger. Then we have to discuss the social objective, better quality of products. The main objective nowadays of the every business units to provide standard quality of goods or better quality of goods at a reasonable price. Business is required to provide better quality product to improve the living standard of people. The products should be according to the specification as claimed by the concerned producer. Fair trade practices. Business should follow fair trade practices to ensure that the customer gets exactly the same product for what he pays. Thus, business should not indulge in practices like adulteration, black marketing, underweights, etc. Employment opportunity. Business should put example on generating employment in the process of performing its activity so that people may get employment opportunities. Thus, business should adopt man-machine ratio in favor of the people. Community service. Business should undertake some community service. This may be in the form of providing training to underprivileged people, providing health services, development of backward areas, etc. And last point is your protection of environment. Business should maintain ecological balance in order to protect the environment. Thus, business should not extract natural resources disproportionately, pollute the environment, etc. The business and industries are created the pollution, so it is the responsibility of every business unit or industries to eliminate the pollution. This is about today. Have a nice day.